Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Minecraft error code 1 and solve the crash exit code 1.
Fix 1. Remove mods Step 1. Open Minecraft Launcher Step 2. Go to Installations, Edit, More Options Step 3. Remove all mods or select Latest. Vanilla Step 4. Launch the game Fix 2. Update Java Step 1. Uninstall old Java from PC Step 2. Download and install latest Java 64-bit Step 3. Restart PC and launch Minecraft. Fix 3. Use correct Java version in Launcher Step 1. Open Minecraft Launcher Step 2. Go to Installations, Edit, More Options Step 3. Select correct Java executable Step 4. Save and launch Fix 4. Increase RAM allocation Step 1. Open Installations, Edit, More Options Step 2. Change XMX to G2, XMX 4G, or higher Step 3. Save and launch. Fix 5. Update graphics driver Step 1. Open Device Manager Step 2. Update display driver Step 3. Restart PC Fix 6. Reinstall Minecraft Step 1. Uninstall Minecraft Launcher Step 2. Download latest Launcher Step 3. Install and launch.